Welcome back to the Glass Studio. So glad to see you today. It's a beautiful Wisdom Wednesday, so welcome. Today, David has been making me this board that has blackboard paint in the middle and regular black paint on the outside. And I want to put some mosaic pieces all around the outside just to make it pretty. I think this would be so fun to have outside on the porch, just right by the front door, so that when people come over and they knock and nobody's home, they can write you a little note, because we're even going to put a little piece of chalk and connect it on here. And they can say, sorry I missed you, see you at 1, whatever. So that's what I would like to have done. Now, it doesn't always have to be on the front porch, but I've just been kind of thinking about outside things lately because it's so beautiful outside. But you can do it anywhere. You can have it just be a chalkboard for the kids. That's awesome. So I just want to show you how to do this. First of all, I have already cut all of these little squares, but I want to show you how I did that. I'm using a strip cutter, which is an awesome tool. You need to have one in your studio. So you have to make sure you have this ledge on your cutting table because this fits right up against there, okay? So I already know, oh, safety glasses. I already know that it's about 3/4 of an inch square. So I've already put that measurement on my strip cutter. What I do first, as you saw, I dipped in the oil. I first will just slide my cutter up. I didn't even push. All I did was put oil on it. And then I'm going to put my fingers down on both of these little lever things on top, pushing down, pulling toward me at the same time, okay? And then I have my trusty running pliers. I'm going to go right along this line that I just scored, squeeze, and there you have it. And then, since it's square, I can also use the same measurement to cut that way. And there you have it. So I did that. I don't know how many of these I have, so I can't really tell you, but then, you know, you wouldn't have the same kind of size board anyway, so you just make as many squares as you need to put around your design here. I'm going to put that one in instead. Okay, then when you know you've got everything that you want right there, and I've just decided to go with an orange and blue palette here. I started some green ones, so maybe the next one will be some greens. So I am using an E6000 glue. I really feel like that works well with glass adhering to wood. So all I'm going to do, and you don't need very much, you know, I cover it all around, but I don't put a whole bunch on there because it's strong, it's going to hold. And then I just set it in there, press it down.
Now, do you use gloves sometimes to keep the glue off your hands, or?
You know, I don't. When I grout, I will use gloves.
Okay.
And that just kind of helps.
Now, that was a sincere question. I really didn't know if you use gloves when you're gluing.
Yeah, you certainly can. Now, I like to leave a little bit of space in between because it's pretty to see the grout in between. And I don't know if I'm going to put a dark grout or a light grout in here. Probably dark, I'm thinking. And it's kind of fun to see it in between. So I want to leave just a little bit of space in between the places, in between the little tiles. You know, and you don't have to watch me do every single one, but it just gives you an idea of what I'm going to be doing for the next little while. And so we're going to glue that all in place, and then when you come back, I will show you how to grout. So do you want?
Now it's going again.
So stay tuned, because the next time we come together, I will show you how to grout this little piece. And also you have to kind of do something to the middle, and I'll show you that too. All right. So this has been Jeannie, Wisdom Wednesday, Gone Stained Glass. And be sure to follow us, and we will see you next time.